Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker EDIFIER MP230. And all controls, right here we have it at the bottom. So, the first one, power button. You can turn off and turn on your power button by press and hold. Turn on and turn off your speaker by press and hold this power button. So, firstly we turn off it, no LED light here, then press and hold again and we should turn on it, here we go. Then we have a Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. You need to press one time at this button and this LED light start blinking blue. And here we go. Now your speaker disconnected from your phone, but you can connect it with another device. You will see it at the device list. After that we have play and pause button, so let me play some song or video. And now I press one time and I pause this video, press again and I play this video. Next we have volume up and volume down button, so to increase the volume you need to press one time at the volume up button or have a plus icon. And as you can see this widget, I just increase the volume. To lower it, use volume down button or have a minus icon. If you press and hold at the volume up button, you will play next track or next video, so press and hold. And to play previous, you need to press and hold at the volume down button. And we return to this video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!